Hello, Unravelers! Welcome to the Ravel channel. Make sure you subscribe. I'm about to show you the top 10 products on Amazon this month and online, and I think these products will make your life a little better. So go ahead, sit back, and subscribe.
Bikes are stolen, like a lot. 2 every minute, over 1 million every year, and that's just what's reported. That's why we're so excited to bring you Linka, the world's first auto-unlocking smart bike lock. Linka can do a lot of cool things, but at its core, it's a powerful lock that's hard-mounted to your frame, so you're always ready. When you're ready to lock up, just tap the button, and a hardened steel ring slides into place, making it impossible to ride away. So now that your bike's locked, if someone tries picking it up, Linka has a built-in accelerometer that automatically triggers a siren, stopping the thief in their tracks, while simultaneously sending a tamper alert directly to your phone so you know what's up. Now, what makes Linka a smart lock is its ability to recognize who you are and automatically unlock as you approach. Of course, you can always unlock it with your smartphone, or for phoneless access, you can press your 4-digit passcode. So if you want to lock your bike to something, add on a Linka chain and just lock up to an existing bike rack. If you already have a chain or a U-lock, then you're all set. Inside Linka is a really powerful battery. You can get up to 1 whole year before your next charge. And the Linka app notifies you when your battery's low, so you never really have to think about it. So about the app, not only does it auto-unlock Linka, send tamper alerts, and track battery usage, we're really excited to introduce our theft indicator map. The app tracks reported stolen bikes in your area and warns you of dangerous locations. We'll even recommend a safer place to park. So we packed Linka with a bunch of awesome features. But equally as important to us was creating a design and form factor that you'd be excited to put on your bike. So why are we doing this? The more I kept riding my bike, the more I realized how difficult it was to keep it safe. After doing some research, I found out I wasn't the only one having this problem. And that's when Linka was born. I put my engineering and product design background to work immediately. And after almost 2 years of research, prototyping, and testing, now we're ready to go to production. All that's missing is your support. Please join us and let's make Linka happen together.
Don't be afraid, ain't nobody in the way. Just shout out to live in the moment. You see sun golden high. The view is all in
touch, every experience, complexity simplified. Is hyperdimensional interaction possible? Seek inspiration. See more. Interact more. Connect more. Experience more. A new era of communication. Nubia Alpha. Be yourself.
Introducing one of the most clever and versatile tools you'll ever use, the Orange Screw. With its simple design, the Orange Screw is useful in many environments where other products often fail. They're also made entirely in the USA from 100% recycled materials by our family-owned company. Have you ever experienced a tent stake fail in the wind or rain? Had your sun shelter blown over at the beach? Had your dog yank his stake out of the ground? Chances are something like this has happened to you. That's why we created a better product, one that can easily handle all of these jobs. Our patented helical shape has been rigorously and successfully tested in various environments, soil types, and temperature extremes. With coarse threads and a lightweight yet burly design, Orange Screws are unique among ground anchors and render traditional tent, garden, and other stakes obsolete. Orange Screws are so easy to use. Simply start driving the screw into the ground and finish it off with a clear plastic safety cover, which doubles as a T-grip. Even the most difficult soils are no match. Orange Screws are available in 2 sizes. They're incredibly strong, and we guarantee every Orange Screw sold. It's time to simplify your gear and use the one ground anchor that does it all. The Orange Screw will replace metal dog tie-outs or provide a quick tie-down for other large animals. They'll secure your RV awning in the wind or keep your tent or beach shelter securely where you placed it. They'll anchor a tarp over your tractor, ATV, or firewood. These handy little workhorses have literally hundreds of uses. Our family created the Orange Screw to help make our outings less stressful and more enjoyable. We truly believe you will love them and use them just as much as we do. They are, quite simply, the ultimate ground anchor.
Your phone dying at the worst possible moment. The pain of it never gets easier.
Adam was born out of the frustration of running out of battery life when I needed it the most.
We created Atom XS so that you never have to feel that pain again. Atom is an e-charger that's as mighty as it is small, fitting in your pocket, on a keychain, or in the palm of your hand, all while packing enough power to resurrect your phone or prevent it from dying when you need it most.
Adam uses a custom high-density cell that allows it to pack the most amount of power in a small footprint.
No ugly battery packs, no extra cords, no bulk whatsoever.
It also uses a retractable tip that allows you to put it away without damaging the product.
With this device, you'll never be stranded again. You'll never be helpless again. You'll never be powerless again.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Alright Ravelers, thank you so much for watching. Here at Ravel, we try to give you the best products that will change your life. Thank you so much. Hopefully you come back and have a great day.